Yes! My favorite show! What in the name of… Absolutely not! This stuff is killing your brain cells. How about… let's see. Oh, this is nice! What?
You guys watching TV in here? You call this entertainment? I'll take care of this.
Yeah!
Exciting, huh?
Oh, the things kids watch today.
No, it's cool.
I've had enough of this nonsense. It's classical music and that's final.
Nope. I don't think so.
Ha!
Oh yeah?
You guys, stop it, please! I can't take it anymore! Huh? Enough! Time for a little challenge action. Ah, much better.
Oh! I can't believe we're stuck in here.
Now this is what I call entertainment. Cool! Think you can make some of this?
That's not bad. I'm younger, so I go first. Thanks, Grandma. Now that's one perfect ear of corn.
Oh, enjoy it, dear.
I bet it's nice and juicy, too. This awkward husk is in the way.
You really know what you're doing.
Yep. Do I dare? Corn chop! Let's see that again. Perfect! The most beautiful corn ever. Let's heat things up. I like mine extra well done. Oh yeah! Charred to perfection. Voila! Now for one final yet important step. Corn holders! Ta-da! And just a dash of something sweet. Not too much now. Just a nice even drizzle. Just look at that deliciousness.
Let's just hold it right there. I still have mine to make. I'm not quite sure what to do with this. I don't even think these are edible. Unless… I've gotta use my noggin for this one. Some indentations can serve as corn kernels. It's all about using the right pattern. Now that we've got the horizontal, it's time to go the vertical. One more. Now really get them in there. Now remove the sticks completely. Ta-da! Roll it out first, of course. Then lay it out here. And add in your yellow corn. Carefully place the green clay here. And smush it down with your fingers. There! Is that gorgeous or what? We did well, right? I love corn! Am I more in the mood for sweet? I definitely don't hate it! It's like having dessert for dinner. But this one looks good too. Oh, is this supposed to happen? Gross! Nope, not for me. You win, Jared!
I know. Maybe next time, Grandma.
Next up, some sweet delicious candy.
Oh, this should be interesting. My favorite! Fruit roll-ups!
What?
These things are the absolute best. And red's my favorite flavor.
What the…
Doesn't it look great?
I guess that looks fun. Oh, come on now. Ugh! I can't open it. I guess I'll never taste it.
Oh, Grandma. Hand it over.
I just don't get it.
I got you.
Well, look at all those colors. I guess that's that then. Now what? Do I just, Oh! Just let me see here. Why are these numbers so small? The connection's not great either. Anything? Hello?
Yes?
I need help.
Fruit roll-ups. Yes, ma'am.
Just eat it, huh? Mmm. Wow, thanks for your help.
No prob. Time to make things really interesting. These are super healthy now. Like your everyday veggie wrap.
Oh man, I could eat 100 of these.
Nah. I'm officially losing my mind.
One more left. Yay!
Oh yeah! Aha! Why didn't I think of this before? A wrap within a wrap, baby! Delectable! Looks like a little candy. Ugh, that does not smell good. Ice cream? Everyone likes this, right? One big scoop ought to do it. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Then fold it over like this. Bring the outer edges together. Oh, isn't it just darling? Like a little ravioli or something. Ah. I think we're all done here. Grandma?
Oh no! Oh, I ate it all!
Looks yummy, but only one plate? What happened?
Oh dear.
Ugh, I guess I can forgive you. At least I have one tasty treat to eat. Looks good. Mmm. That's spectacular! You win this round, Jared! Woohoo! I knew that was gonna be a hit. Okie dokie. Let's get poppin', shall we? Good luck!
Popcorn, huh?
Ooh. Looks like mine's ready to go.
Nothing's popping in here yet. Sure are some nice-looking kernels, though. Oh well.
This is my favorite snack. Wait.
Looks good.
I think I can make this better. Yep. Time to travel to Flavor Town. This is what salt was made for. Not too much now. Perfect. Okay, a little more. There.
Jared! That's salt!
So good.
No!
Okay. Let's make it rain, people! Okay. This is my kitchen masterpiece.
Ah. I know. Nobody cooks quite like Grandma, and we're veering in the sweet direction. Just needs a little bit of prep. Let's bring on the heat. Just a little bit of my secret ingredient. Good. Now for the most important part. Have fun in there, boys. I almost forgot. We just need a little bit of water. Perfect. Now's when the magic happens. Look at everything sizzle. Oh, what a lovely sound. It's like they're having a dance party in there. And the chocolate has officially melted. Would you look at that? Simply delightful.
I can think of something. Just look at this thing. Oh yeah. We'll see which one she likes. Just watch. This is so exciting! What is this supposed to be? Okay. Ugh, it's pure salt! Okay, this looks more promising. Way to go, Grandma!
By golly, I actually won!
Time to get a little healthy here. We're working with apples. Sounds okay. Please, ladies first.
So sweet. Okay, let's see here. Yep, these are apples all right. A little boring, don't you think? What should I do with them?
I'll open mine. Whoa! I don't see apples in here. Is it soft? Freaky. What now? Wait, I have an idea! Can we switch?
Sounds fine to me.
Yes, yes, yes! Apples on top of apples! This is gonna be fun!
I got it! First, we've gotta roll this thing out.
Yep. Ooh.
Now we're making progress. There. Now for a few more. Now's where things get interesting. We need the perfect ball. See? They're in their final form. Not without its little hole, of course. And next, some brilliant colors, see?
Tastes like an apple.
These things look like apples now. Aren't they beautiful? Be right back. Just need a little bit of heat. Check out that growth! Looks done to me. Mine look more real than yours. Check them out. But be careful, these guys are hot. It's all about presentation, you know. There. They all fit quite nicely. Gorgeous. Looks like we've run out of time.
Wow.
Whoop. Let's see what she likes. Yay! Someone bit into it already.
Hey.
Gross! No thanks. These, on the other hand… there's doughy goodness inside! This is awesome! You win, Grandma!
Oh.
Don't cry now. Wish you could put your cooking skills to the test? Hold your own contest then. But you don't have to cook alongside your granny. She's hard to beat after all. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the delicious fun!